Hey guys, Brent here from Brent's Review. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. Today I will be going over the DJI Mic. I will be unboxing it. I will be taking it outside. Today is a windy day outside, so it is a perfect day for this. And I will be giving, at the very end, I will be giving my review, thumbs up, thumbs down on this unit. Please don't forget to like, subscribe for my page. Keeps me knowing what content and videos that you like and lets me do what I love to do here. Okay, so I have here the DJI Mic. I will be using this from now on to record videos. So I'm excited to be opening this up. We'll see what they have inside the box here. A nice little package here, a little carrying case. Quick start guide. Got some more papers here, Looks like some stickers maybe. This is probably the charging cord here, most likely. That's going to be for charging. And they really got this. Clip maybe for the magnet. I don't know. This is my first time unboxing these things. This is going to be for wind, outdoors, and then we're going to have the body. This is going to be the microphone. Yep, this is going to be the microphone. Going to be a microphone. This is the unit that you're going to plug into your recording device. But this is what's in the box, guys. This is what you get, and then I will be looking at everything else to see how this all operates. All right, before I get this thing going, I gotta set this up, so I guess I'm gonna hit the language. I'm gonna set the date. There we go. Sorry that it keeps focusing in and out, so that I guess is set there. And then let's go ahead and power this one on. That just vibrated, green light's on. So supposedly it's going to be picking up, as you can see, it's going to be picking up my voice already. I did find out the magnet is going to be on the back here. Here's where the magnet's at. Okay, that's kind of cool. It's a pretty strong magnet on the back here. And I have the perfect day. Today I have the perfect day to take this outside. Today I'm testing out the DJI Mic. I've got this that I'm excited to have and see how the wind handles in it and see how the microphone actually does. So I will be plugging this in to my smart device, my smartphone, right now. All right, I'm using the DJI Mic right now as we speak. Just a second ago while I was filming this, I almost had the cell phone fall over. I do use a Samsung S24 Ultra for a lot of my recordings. But the biggest thing I'm using today is the DJI Mic. I want to see how that is picking up, especially in this wind. I'm backing up some, so hopefully you guys can still hear me on this. But again, you can see it's a pretty windy day out today. just about a second ago, I was having my cell phone on my tripod, and that almost knocked over. I'm probably gonna put that in the clip just to see, so if it doesn't make it in editing, maybe it just didn't look that good or whatever. But again, DJI Mic, I'm excited to be using this today. Whoa. All right, so my review on the DJI Mic is thumbs up. This thing handles amazing. At the time of this recording, it was about $159 or $149, but this thing handled excellent outdoors. I was very impressed with that and the quality of the sound, picking up my mic, and on the wind. I mean, I'm telling you, it was windy outside today, and this thing really, you couldn't tell that it was windy except for all the stuff flying around. So again, thumbs up for the DJI Mic. Very impressed with the unit. I would definitely recommend this. And thank you guys so much for checking out my channel. And don't forget to subscribe, like, leave any comments. I'll get to them. And be safe out there, guys. Until the next time.